Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your PayPal account in Gumroad so you can start receiving payments smoothly from your digital products or online sales. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to gumroad.com and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect opportunity for you to sign up. It's very easy and simple to create one. You can use your Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Stripe account and follow the on-screen instructions, because once you have successfully created your account, I want you to click the dashboard. Now click from here. I want you to click the settings, which is found at the bottom left corner. There is an option here on the payment and I want you to click on it. Now, you would notice that the PayPal is already an option for you to connect. Now, once you are in the payments tab, you would notice that the option to connect with PayPal, in my case, is grayed out. Why does it happen? First of all, you need to have your account fully verified. And of course, by providing a valid government-issued photo ID, proof of residence within this country, and if you are signing up as a business, it is registered in the country above, all right? And you may have to forfeit your balance if you want to change your country in the future. Once you have done all that, you would be able to use the Connect to PayPal feature and just follow the on-screen instructions. And of course, you want to make sure that you have a valid and working PayPal account, because a new window will open. You need to log in to your email and password. Make sure this is, again, similar to Gumroad. It's a fully verified PayPal account that can receive funds. Once logged in, Gumroad will automatically link your PayPal account for payouts. And after logging in, you will be redirected back to your Gumroad, all right? And then you should now see PayPal email listed in under your payment method, and that means your account is successfully connected. And with that being said, basically that's it for today's video. Now you have successfully added your PayPal account to Gumroad. You are now ready to get paid for your sales and digital products. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.